7 meters a second.
We've acquired the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Feed chill has separated. We've found the ground.
Expand tones due to earth occultation as expected.
We're standing by to prime the MLE engines in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers and descending.
Flight EDL, we got some Tweedo warnings. It is in battle short mode, so it should power through them.
Direct Earth communications at this time. We may have lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers and descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 82.8 meters per second.
Start enabled, standing by for batch cell separation.
Signal to Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at altitude of 1 kilometer descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signal to Odyssey remains
down to 50 meters per second, 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for Skycrane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal, altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for Skycrane. Down to 10 meters per second, 40 meters altitude. Skycrane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting bridle cut shortly.
Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yeah. EDLCOM configured.
Review stable.
Telemetry.
Review stable.
UHF is good.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars. Time to see where our curiosity will take us. At this time, flyaway should be complete. The descent stage is at a safe distance. We are continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity. We're safe.
Getting data from the surface of Mars.
ASCAM sequence is kicked off, waiting for images.
Heads up, folks. PL Ops, the signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Flight EDL images are starting to come down.
We're beginning to get images.
We got images
from Odyssey.
coming down, folks.
EDLCOM configure standby for images.
We're seeing thumbnails coming down.
Odyssey data is still strong.
Odyssey data is very strong.
Odyssey is nice and high in the sky. At this time, we're standing by for images.
Thumbnails are complete.
Got thumbnails.
Full image complete. Full image complete.
We are wheels down on Mars.
Oh my God.
We'll do a proper hug on the other side.
Keep watching, guys. Keep watching the stream. There's more stuff. Any minute now. No. 2:56.
Okay. Okay. So here we are. We're going to start. Go ahead.
Okay.
So we have landed out at the time we thought we would, and we now have our first image.
We have our first image. This we've got it's a 64 by 64 thumbnail. The front, a rear has-cam image. You can see the shadow there. I'm not sure exactly which our orientation is of the vehicle, but we're looking through it. I think in just a few minutes we might get even a larger 250 to 256 frame pixel image of that same end. So we're looking at the shadow. See, the horizon is actually in the distance. You can't really tell that. So we're looking actually at the shadow of this late afternoon sun.
So these are the rear has-cams.
These are the rear has-cams.
And it does have a dust cover on it.
It does have a dust cover, but it's the dust. The cover is the problem. It's the fact there's dust in the air because we have just blown dust all over the place with our descent engines.
Fantastic. So there could be more.
There could be more. If we wait, we might get. Oh yes, This is the high res. This is a 256 by 256 image. This is a higher resolution. You're seeing dust particles on the window. You can see the horizon there in the background, and there is the wheel of the rover safely on the surface of Mars. I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. We might get another one of these, and if we're lucky, before Odyssey goes away, we'll get 2 more of these same images going the other side of the vehicle, and also probably dusty. This is amazing.